The healing touch. Lockdown. The smog-laden skies are painted blue today. The chirping birds have taken the role of honking cars today. The erstwhile dust-laden leaves and flowers are relieving the morose eyes today. The breeze never seemed so fresh and cool before. The squirrels never seemed too playful before. Never thought that humans would be forced to have an artificial beak. Never thought that I would have to think twice before stepping out. Never thought that I would be jealous of the flying birds and the waving leaves. Nature has the power to cage the most powerful and intelligent. Nature has the power to stop the most developed and advanced. Nature has the power to heal itself.